In this section, we are going to talk about payment gateways and how to accept payment on your store, which means after this section, people will be able to pay on your store and you will get the money. So Dot.H is not a payment gateway, it's just where we build our online store, which means we will use another company that will process the payments. And here there is plenty of options. So let me show you how that works and let me show you how to connect them. Here I am on my store and we want to go to the app market. So let's go to the dashboard. Then applications and app market. Here, click on payment. Here you can find a list of all the payment gateways that are currently available on Dot.H. And for each of them, you can activate them and also access their documentation where you will find all the information about how they work, how much they charge, how to connect them, etc, etc. So if you already know which payment gateway that you want to use, then that's perfect. You can just activate it and start using them. In case the payment gateway that you want is not in this list, then just contact us on the customer support. And there's a big chance that we can add it for you. We just do a few security checks before just to make sure that there is no problem. And if it passes this check, then we can add it here. And if you don't know which payment gateway to choose, then first of all, it depends on where you are in the world and what you want to sell. Because not every payment gateways accept everybody in the world. So you can check with the payment gateways that we already have on Dot.H. They are the most popular one, and you can check if they accept companies from your country and if they accept the type of product that you want to sell. After that, you will get a list of the payment gateways that you can work with. So then you can change how much they charge, what their customer support, and little things like that. And based on this, you can choose the one that you like the most. Personally, I use Stripe, and most of the people doing e-commerce use Stripe and PayPal. So if you don't have specific needs, then Stripe and PayPal will be great for your business as well. And I will show you how to add them right now on your store.